Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Precious. My 13-month baby is starting school and I don't even know how to feel. Guys, so this video is just majorly just a sum up of everything that happened of my baby starting school, just a wrap of everything. So this scene is just me going to the market to get everything he'll be needing for his preparation to start crèche. I don't even know how I feel. It's just a mixed feelings of emotions, everything. Let me just leave you to enjoy the video. I know you seen on me. I get the money passing your papa. Wait till you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and one? Share you big kids than the you better. Guys, I am somewhat happy. I am very happy because my little one, my baby, my child is going to be going through crèche. Somebody pinch me. I'm so happy. Like, I am so happy. I am so happy. Now he's 13 months. And I know some people would ask, oh, why are you taking him to crèche that early? I'm going to tell you why. I have my own way of parenting. There are no guidelines to these things, but then again, I noticed that he's a very brilliant child in the sense that I will be telling you some things that I have come to, or rather I want to debunk. And I would be giving you clear narratives with pure examples as to why sometimes what people say is clearly not what it is. Now, if you know Miss Rachel, yeah, I do screen time for him, but managed. Now, this is the reason. I have heard people say, oh, Miss Rachel is bad. It makes your children or your child behave like a dummy. I am here to tell you that that is a lie from my own experience. In fact, Miss Rachel helped my baby know words and speak. If I tell you that my baby started speaking at 1 year, you might not even believe. Yes, because I know he doesn't have any sibling. He's the first. I started playing Miss Rachel for him at say 10 months. I started, playing Miss Rachel for him. And when it was like 1 year or 11 months, 1 year, he could start repeating words. For example, when she says, point to the dog, point to the cat, you see him doing his hand like this. Point to like, oh God, it warms my heart. He can say thank you. He can say when she gets to the place where she says, oh, back like a dog, you will see him, he will start doing like so many things that she does. Even when she does, swinging back and forth, you will see him want to follow her movements. Look, Miss Rachel was the educational video, I would say, that helped my baby start picking words. He can say something like, no, you see him, no. Social media. See, it just know the kind of child you gave birth to, know his formative, like I really want to be there to see his formative months, and I'm thankful I could see this, I could capture the moments, I could film them, guys. Hey, Lord God, I'm such a happy mom. And I was as I went to the market today to get back to school, to get his school stuff, I was just so happy doing them. And I'm like, I can't believe I'm the one doing, school runs for my baby, and it just warms my heart. But it's not, I didn't come to talk about that. I just came to talk about, or to debunk the saying that, oh, Miss Rachel will make your children dumb, Miss Rachel will do this. Nah, lie. It's a lie. That lady, that Miss Rachel taught my own child how to speak. Anyways, just do what suits you. And yeah, I just wanted to come tell you guys that I have a baby that is in crèche, and in the next 6 months he'll be going to preschool. So fulfilling. Anyways, that's it. So I just got back from work. Today's Friday. I just go back from the market as well. I want to just go prep what we're going to eat. I'll rest. And yeah, I have a Oh my God, I have a trip next week, and it's so sad that I will not be around when my baby is going to be starting school for the first time. But my husband is around, he's going to be doing the school run on the day one. But I just want to prep everything he's going to be using and just get everything set. I am going to be on video call from the house till when they drop him. I'm going to be doing that. I'm not going to miss it for anything. Let me stop ranting now. Yeah, let's get into it.
The next day.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. First of all, don't even mind this thing I just tied here. You see these things, it's just because I've had the singlet for the longest, and I was like, what am I going to use? What am I going to do with it? Let me just turn it to a sleeping singlet, and that's why I tied it here because it's kind of big and loose. Anyways, they've been a cooking mishap. Hi, yeah, 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 yeah. Yesterday when I go back from work, I'm sure you guys have seen the clip after I made that video of my baby. I was supposed to prepare jollof rice, and the jollof rice. So usually when I'm at work and I want to prepare food, I will tell my girl to bring out everything that I'm going to use to prepare the food. 1 minute. So she brings out everything I'm going to be using to cook. She basically knows everything I used to cook. So, and we have like plenty tomatoes that has been processed, like processed, grinded and dried. So because she grinds tomato differently, pepper differently, and puts in the freezer without naming them. We don't name them because I felt when you smell tomatoes and pepper separately, you will know which one is pepper, I know which one is tomato. You already know what I want to say. So I got back from work, rested, and was ready to cook. And she told me everything is out, the tomatoes is out, the pepper is out. So when everything defrosted and I was ready to I fried my onions and everything. I wanted to pour in the pepper. I poured the pepper first, and she brought the tomato, the supposed tomato. Like, why is this thing very watery like this? So she was like, it's because it has defrosted. And I was like, maybe, but I was like, this thing is very watery. I just started pouring. I didn't know it was pepper. So I now tasted as I was frying now, I noticed I was just sneezing. So I tasted the thing I was frying, the tomatoes I was frying. And it was so peppery. I was like, Jesus Christ. So she was like, and she poured the remaining tomatoes, the supposed tomatoes, I poured everything. I was like to reduce the peppery sensation. That's how I carried the whole Jesus Christ, the whole pepper that was thinking it was tomato. I did inside the pot. I said, Tony, this thing is still peppery. He said, don't worry, that when you put rice, that it will calm down. So I poured in the rice, poured everything. I used my foil, covered my food, and just left it to cook. When the rice was 90% ready, I tested it. I was like, hey, God, I beg you. There's nothing I could do at that moment. When the rice was not fully done, thank God I bought coleslaw. I say coleslaw, salad things for coleslaw. We have prepped everything. But when I tasted it after the food was ready, boy, oh boy, I just went to report myself to my husband first. I said, see, this rice is very peppery. I don't know how you're going to do it, but manage it. I'm going to put a whole lot of coleslaw so that it will ease and aid how you are eating this food. When my husband tasted the first spoon, he said, never. Baby, what kill me? When I tested it, I was like, hey, someone chuku up that thing. Nobody could eat that food. My girl has been going to toilet. Like we woke up this morning. I said, I better go and throw that rice, make I no die. But I didn't eat much because I know I eat pepper, but that one passed me. My girl said she has been purging that her nose is even peppering her. So I told her to just pick out the meat in the food and just throw it because I was like, so that's it now. So it was the rice that we're supposed to eat this morning, but because usually anytime we prepare rice, it spills over to the following day, and that's what we eat in the morning of the following day. Then I take it to work, and she have what she'll eat. So that's it. Oh, now I'm stuck. I don't even know what to cook now, and I'm like, hi, has this happened to anyone? Hey, my husband was like, go and cook white rice and turn it and turn everything. I was like, if I cook white rice and pour it inside, how will the texture be that it will not be red? You understand? Well, let's get ready to prepare hot Nigerian stew. So yes, I want to prepare my stew today. Today is Saturday as against tomorrow, just so that life will be easy for us to just prepare rice tomorrow after church and we call it a day. My small guy, they my back. So I will say this girl. So first of all, I want to fry this protein. Hey, because I have a trip, an official trip to make. I'm going to cook a very big pot of stew that will last for 2 weeks, hopefully. So yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. I'm not going to carry you guys along, go. Oh, that guy. I'm not going to carry you guys along because it's going to be very chaotic, I beg. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So I am actually, by the way, this my phone is on a icky whatever it is, yeah. Oh God, guys, look at the progress of that fall. The fall I fell down whilst I was washing my bathroom. My legs are, I'm literally in pain. See, that's one thing with my skin. Before this thing go now, it take about 2 months. It turn to black first before it like vanishes. Anyways, I'm pumped. I'm ready to talk. I'm happy. And guess what? My 13-month-old baby started crutch yesterday. I think I've said it in the beginning of this video. I think I mentioned it. Yesterday he went to work. Yesterday he went to school. So when I dropped him at the crutch, I said bye-bye. He said bye-bye too. I say what? You telling me bye-bye? Hey, he didn't cry. Surprisingly, he didn't cry. I dropped him, myself and my husband, and then we waved him goodbye, and he told us bye-bye. And I'm like, hold up, what do you mean bye-bye? Not supposed to cry? But as God will have it, he did not cry, and yeah. So I don't want to turn on this easy. Should I turn it on because of the noise? So he didn't cry, yo, people of God. He didn't cry. I was very surprised. And funny enough, he doesn't really eat solid food. He has started eating it, but I would not say that I can give him like one plate of solid food to school. So what I did was I prepared his Cerelac. I didn't pour the water. I just put the cereal, the milk. I gave him rice and egg. I gave him juice. I gave him biscuits, water, and the finish and his pap. I gave him pap in his water bottle, his feeding bottle, I mean. And the teacher said he finished everything, and I'm like, okay, I have a growing boy, okay. So because I was kind of, can this boy finish this thing? So this morning when I dropped him off, I asked the teacher, please, how did you manage to feed this guy? I said without stress. I was like, okay. So today I fried plantain and fried eggs for him. I gave him juice, Cerelac, water, and yeah, plantain and egg. Yeah. So I took him to school today, me and my husband as well. But guess what? He cried. He cried today. I was like, So when I got to the school, my husband carried him. We got to his class, and when he saw his teacher, he just started crying, and I'm like, don't disgrace
Make
me.
a U-turn.
Sorry. And I'm like, don't disgrace me. Don't disgrace me. I have made mouth. I have told everybody that you survived day one. No, don't disgrace me. Anyways, guys, today I'm off work and I'm not going to the office today. I have another doctor's appointment today. I've said it. I'm going to be using my what's that thing called now? My benefits in the office because I work hard, guys. I work really, really hard, and I really want to, prioritize my health, especially because we are tilting towards the end of the year. And so, yeah, even this thing that happened to me, I'm going to report it today. I'm going to report it. Look into it. Look into it. It's my money. Look into it. So that's it. I just wanted to like give you guys the update and see how it goes. Yeah.
money pass your papa. If you want way, I don't feel good for you. But you want to do that one. Show you the keys
Let's go. Guys, I just packed my car. It's raining cats and dog. It's raining heavily. I just noticed that I couldn't like see very well again. Let me show you. Let me see if I can turn it, show you something. Can you see? So I literally cannot even see anything. I managed to park. Oh god. I managed to park at Domino's. Yeah. I managed to park at Domino's. So let me even off the ignition. I really just don't want to continue driving because I couldn't see nothing. I couldn't see nothing. I just decided to just park like people are trying, you know. I just have only one life. I don't keep any other life anywhere. Now only one life I get. So yeah. I just look a mess of myself, really. Anyways, I'm at my son's school, guys. I beg, the time is almost 12:30 and I just want to come and pick him up. I just hope they'll allow me pick this boy up. He should not school again. It's okay for today. It's okay. I beg, it's okay. Let him just come. Let's go home. Tomorrow is another day. We live to fight for another day. I just hope they will allow me pick him up. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? See, my face is white. Sorry, I just rubbed powder and it's looking so white. Anyways, guys, I just want to come and close out on this vlog. I have a meeting like ongoing now. I had to just log out of the meeting, close out this vlog. Although I'm going to the island now, I have an appointment, and I just need to like close out on this vlog because there are so many things I want to say in that meeting, and I don't want them to close out the meeting. Guys, my baby is sick. I've been all over the place this period. I've been all over the place. Yesterday, 2 days ago, the teacher called me and said that she noticed that my boy picks a whole lot of things from the ground and puts in his mouth. It's not as if I'm not aware, but because children will still be children, you know. So I told her, I said, yes, that I'm aware and I'm managing it as a mom, and people in the house are also very active, making sure that he doesn't pick anything from the ground and put it in his mouth. And I'm very happy that she even like noticed it on time, and she called me and told me, and she was like, yeah, that she would put more attention to him. But yeah, he's not feeling too well as a result of, I'm thinking it's as a result of this picky. He has infection, but a very mild one that we've started treating. We're managing it, thankfully. But yeah, he went to the hospital yesterday, being Thursday, and he's already on meds. He took 2 injections yesterday, and I really do not want him to go to school today up until Monday, so he can actually start on Monday. I just want to like have a close watch at him. Let him, he has started his meds, so let me just use this week to just treat him and all. So that's the update, guys. I should be rushing. I should be running along now because my doctor leaves the hospital at 2. Yeah, I'm going to the hospital again to finish up my appointment, my test and all. Yeah, that's it. Let me go join the meeting. Please subscribe if you've gotten to this point, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.